Hey guys, I'm Rui. Welcome to my channel. This week we are going to produce a simple cartoon animation like the Peppa Pig. What would you like to name our cartoon, Daniel?
Daniel Dog.
Daniel Dog, very good. Can you sketch out what Daniel Dog looks like, please? Yeah?
Yes. This is Daniel Dog.
It's very cute. Let's go to my office then. So now we're going to bring this little guy onto my computer. We'll be using Adobe Illustrator. So this is our dog. How do you like it?
I love it.
Today's day 2. We've just done creating the main characters. Daniel, let's show them.
This is Daniel Dog. This is Oscar Dog. This is Mama Dog. This is Papa Dog.
Excellent! Today's day 3. I've been working quite a few hours on producing the sequences. So far, I've made 178 drawings, which will only produce a very short cartoon of around 2 minutes. This is a very tedious job. Hats off to all the animators. Today's day 4. We're going to do some voiceover for the storyline, and we'll play some music for the background.
A big red bus, a big red bus. A big red bus. I'm Daniel Dog. Woof woof. This is Papa Dog.
You say woof woof.
Woof woof.
Ah! And now we all laugh. Today I'm working on putting together all the drawings and the voiceover we did yesterday. I'm going to show my boys what I got so far and let's see what they say.
Mama Lela, Papa Lela, Papa Lela, Lela, I'm Daniel Dog. Woof woof. This is my little brother Oscar. Oof oof. This is Mama Dog.
Woof woof.
This is Papa Dog.
Woof woof.
Ah! Hui, hui, huh?
Daniel Dog. Woof woof. Born in London.
Daniel Dog was born in London. Then they went back home on a big red bus.
I love when the big red bus. A big red bus, a big red bus. A big red bus, a big red bus, a big red bus. One day we went to visit the London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my favorite baby. Oh no, London Bridge is moving.
I think we're falling into the river.
Woof woof. Is everybody alright?
I'm alright.
I'm here.
Where is Oscar?
Papa. Look, Mama, the London Bridge is falling down.
I think this is the tower bridge, Daniel, and it's not falling down. It's just letting the boat passing through.
Oh. Daniel Dog. Woof, woof.